Friends, welcome to another music lesson with Uncle Joe. Nice having you as always, and we are right into our way to syllabus of the ABRSM um, music program, and today we will be continuing on minor scales. Minor scales. And remember, we are doing the harmonic version. Harmonic version we're doing. Alright. Last lesson we did A minor, and today we're going to do D minor. Okay. Right, so the first thing we do is to find the major scale that D minor is related to, and to do that we count 3 notes up, 3 letters starting from D. That gives you, and we go alphabetically of course, that gives you what? D, E, F. F major scale is related to D minor. D minor is related to F major scale. Then the next thing we do is to write the notes of the F major scale. Alright, which are F, G, call for me, A, yes, B flat, C, D, E, and you end on where you start with F. Remember to keep refreshing, and I wish that you were able to play an instrument, because that will help you a lot with this. Remember, if you're playing instruments, these classes are good for you because they will help you to remember, and as you learn, you put into practice immediately, and that makes you learn even faster. Telling you from experience. So the next step is to write back these notes, or rewrite these notes, but in a different order, starting from D, the minor scale we want to construct. So we're writing the same notes just as they appear in their form, but we are changing the order. So let's go. Start D, then E, then you have F, then G, because we don't have 2 Fs, A, then you have B flat, C, and D. Simple. Very simple. The last thing we do to complete the minor harmonic scale is to raise the 7th note by a semitone. You got it. Raise the 7th note by a semitone, and the accidental we use is a sharp. I want to spend a little time on this. Now, raise the 7th note by a semitone, or raising a note by a semitone, it would mean that, let's revisit this quickly. Here you have the keyboard. I like to use the keyboard to demonstrate this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and D again. So we have C sharp, we have G sharp, we have F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp again, and G sharp if you continue in that side. Alright? Good. So let's say the 7th note is B flat, for instance. Here is B flat. Right? We're talking about, I want you to understand this raising a note by a semitone. Because for the first 2 scales we did, minor scales we did, we have to use a sharp, but I want to show you that you will not always need to use a sharp, because sharp is not the only accidental that raises the note by a semitone. It depends on where the note is. So let's say the note is a B flat, and you want to raise that a semitone. Where do you go? Remember, semitone is one note to the very next on the keyboard. So this is B flat. The very next note would be B. So if the seventh note were a B flat, then you would raise it to a B natural, which means that you would use a natural sign. Replace the flat sign with a natural sign. Got that? Good. So it's not always you would need to use a sharp. Just bear that in mind, right? Just thought that I'll give you that, so that you don't think when you hear raise a note by a semitone, seventh note, you put a sharp, right? Because if you put a sharp to B flat, then you would be going B sharp, right? If you replace the flat sign with a sharp sign, B sharp, it means you'll be going up two semitones, because B sharp means B sharp is here, you have to pass B first before you get to sharp. So you're moving from B flat, then you're going up to B, and then you're going to B sharp, which is C. Touched on that in a previous lesson. So you have to be careful. When you're raising your notes by a semitone, the seventh note by a semitone, try to visualize the keyboard or have it. You should still have your keyboards. Okay? Whether instrument, physical instrument, or on cardboard. So there you have it. D minor scale. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C sharp, D. There's one more to do, and we will do that in the next lesson. We'll show you the pattern of the tones and the semitones and give you some more explanation. Alright, I don't want to make your lesson too long. Alright, so thank you for being in today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and continue to have fun with the music. Find an instrument to play if you're not playing as yet. When you play these scales, you will hear a different sound. You're going to hear the difference compared to a major scale. So this is Uncle Joe saying bye, take care of yourselves, have fun with the music, and see you in my next class.